High kids. Welcome to Knee High Kids Club. My name is Miss Porter, and today we're going to talk about colors. Let's sing a song. Red and yellow and green and blue, purple and orange too. You can sing a rainbow, a pretty rainbow, a pretty rainbow too. Did you like that song? Wow, I did too. Today, we're going to talk about colors. Now, how are you doing inside? Before we get started with those colors, let's talk. So how are you doing staying inside? Are you tired of your family? Is your family tired of you? I know mine is. But we're going to imagine we're outside and we're going to look at all of the colors of the rainbow. So let's sing a song. Red and yellow and green and blue, purple and orange too. You can sing a rainbow, a pretty rainbow, a pretty rainbow too. Very good. Did you like that song? Okay, now let's go over each color in the rainbow one by one. So, I have all the colors of the rainbow. We have one color that's not in the rainbow. Can you point out which color that is? Let's go through all of them, and then we're going to see if you got that one right, okay? What's this color? Red. This color is red. Can you say red? R-E-D. Red. This color is orange. Can you say the color orange? O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. This is the color yellow. I have yellow on today myself. Can you say yellow? Y-E-L-L-O-W. This is the color green. Can you say green? G-R-E-E-N. Green. Blue. I have blue in my dress too. I have two kinds of blue. Can you say the color blue? B-L-U-E. Blue. Purple. Can you say the color purple? P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Pink. Can you say the color pink? P-I-N-K. Pink. Brown. Brown is like this color of my skin. Can you say the color brown? B-R-O-W-N. Gray. This is the color gray. Can you spell the color gray? G-R-A-Y. White. This is the color white. Can you spell the color white? W-H-I-T-E. White. Black. Can you spell the color black? B-L-A-C-K. Black. Are not in the rainbow. Is it yellow? No. What about blue? No. What about the color gray? Is gray in the rainbow? No. That is the correct color, gray. Gray is not in the rainbow. Did you like that? So let's sing a song. Let's sing about rainbows. Rainbow, rainbow, high and bright. Rainbow, rainbow, made of light. From the clouds down to the ground, I see colors all around. Did you like that? So did I. So now, let's talk about the colors that are in the rainbow. What's this color? This is the color red. Let's spell the color red. R-E-D. Red. This is the color orange. Let's spell the color orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. This is the color yellow. I'm wearing yellow today. Let's spell the color yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Green. This is the color green. When we go outside, the grass is green. Let's spell the color green. G-R-E-E-N. Blue. The sky is blue. This is the color blue. B-L-U-E. Purple. This is the color purple. Let's spell the color purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Pink. This is the color pink. Let's spell the color pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Brown. Our beautiful skin, some of our beautiful skin is brown. My skin is brown. Let's spell the color brown. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Gray. This is the color gray. Let's spell the color gray. G-R-A-Y. Gray. White. This is the color white. Let's spell the color white. W-H-I-T-E. White. Black. This is the color black. Let's spell the color black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Did you enjoy that? Wow, I had a lot of fun learning our colors. So, since you did such a good job, you get a dynamite for doing such good work. Dynamite. And now I have a surprise for you. We're going to talk about a toy. Ooh, look at this toy. This is called Sort and Discover Drum. Let's see what it sounds like. Okay. There we go.
Feel the beat.
You hear it? Let's open it up.
And boom, buddy, boom. Camping on the fly.
Now remember, whenever you're using scissors, you want to hold them like this and always get help from your parents. Oop! I had someone come in the door, so just ignore the noise.
Tap, tap, tap the drum.
Ooh, look how he's excited. He's excited to get out of this box. Let's hurry up and get him out of here. Now this toy is found at Walmart.
Don't, don't.
Ooh, look how loud he's getting. He doesn't want to quiet down. He wants us to hurry up and open him up. Okay. There's one shape out. All right. Oh, we have to cut inside here. Boy, you're really gonna need mommy and daddy's help with this toy. They have it locked down good.
Tap, tap, tap the drum.
I think I need my mommy and daddy to help me with this toy. Okay, let's go from the back.
Tap, tap, tap the drum.
Okay. Oh my goodness. And now my scissors don't want to cut. Whew. You need mommy, daddy, grandma, and everybody to help you open this toy up. Aunties, uncles, cousins. All right, we got it out. Oh boy, now we got to get the pieces out. Let's cut the pieces. This is super hard for even Miss Porter. Whew. Finally, we got it out. All right. About time. Now, these are the pieces. And then there's a sound on here where you can turn it, make it high or low. And this is the off switch. But let's turn it on. And then we're going to put the shapes in the right slots. You hear that?
Tapping on the drum makes a really cool tune.
You like that? Okay.
Tap, tap the drum.
All right. So there's a heart.
Heart.
See? Then there's a square.
Square.
Oh, you can push them through, y'all. See, I'm learning like you. Then there's a circle.
Circle.
Okay. Then there's a star.
Star.
Okay. And a triangle.
Triangle.
Did you like that? And then the cow's moving too. And so how do we get those back out? You're going to take it like this. Oh, you take this off. And then you pull each shape back out again. Now this toy costs $12. I think it's $12 and some change at, so let's just round it off to about $13 with tax. 13 even. And you can get this toy at Walmart. It's by VTech. And it's a learning drum. So, if you have nothing else to do, this is a good learning toy. And this is for ages, hold on, let me see if I can get the ages. Let me get my cameraman to help me with the ages. This is for,
Can you drop in a shape?
if you're the age between, okay, this is for 6 to 36 months. And it introduces language development, imaginative play, motor skills. And it plays real drum sounds so children can create their own beat. So did you like that one? Let's play with it some more. Let's do it again. Okay, heart.
Feel the beat. Rat-a-tat-tat and boom, buddy, boom. Tapping on the drum makes a really cool tune.
Okay.
Tap, tap, tap the drum.
And then I think you can tap, tap right here. But you got to put the shape inside.
Like a dog.
It has a dog on it. And Miss Porter likes playing with toys anyway, so I'm having fun too. All right, there's a little birdie on this one. Hear it?
Bird.
Okay. This has a cat and a number 4.
Cat.
Hear it? This has a number 3 and it has a cow. It's a triangle.
Cow.
Oh, that was a lot of fun. Did you like that? Okay. So that teaches you a lot of things. Well, I am so happy that you stopped by today and that we talked about colors today. So, if you want to hear about more things, and we're going to learn a whole lot of more things, just hit the subscribe button and please give us a thumbs up if you like this video. If you don't like the video, well, we'll just pray for you, okay? But remember, Miss Porter loves you and God loves you too. Bye-bye. And thank you for watching.